A signal to warn of the impending hazard.
Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. This includes the weekly test of weather radio station KEC74. And now a look at the forecast for Indianapolis and central Indiana. Rest of today. Cloudy. Highs in the lower 40s. Temperature steady or slowly falling in the afternoon. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. For tonight, much colder. Mostly cloudy through midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 15. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Wind chill reading 0 to 10 above 0. Thursday, colder. Partly cloudy. Chance of flurries in the morning. Highs in the mid-20s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts up to 20 miles an hour in the morning. For Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows around 13. Northeast winds up to 10 miles an hour.